My name is Jennifer Imevbore and I'm the head makeup artist at Rise and Glam Beauty. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve a flawless foundation application. So this basic tutorial is for you if you love to have your makeup so flawless it literally looks like your own skin, or if you're really tired of having breakages or fine lines that are, well, not so fine when you apply your foundation. So now that we have that out of the way, let's get started on this step by step of applying a wicked flawless makeup look. First off, I like to start off by using a facial wipes, and I'm using the Beauty Formula's Soft Apricots Cleansing Facial Wipes. I really do not want to start off using a sticky, dirty face, to be honest. So next, this is a step you must not miss. Moisturizers, they are extremely important, and as you can see, I love to apply a generous amount of moisturizer to the face. This just helps to absorb every product you're going to apply on your face afterwards. So it hydrates your skin and it also saves your foundation from breaking. Amazing, I tell you. Taking the moisturizer to her neck because sister needs some love too. And as you can see, her face looks more hydrated. Next, I'm going to be using the Younger Beauty Matte Primer, and this just helps to hold back any oils from seeping through your foundation. I love a bit of oil, to be honest, but not too much. So this helps to control the oil on your skin, and I'm applying this to the areas that gets oily the most, so her T-zone areas basically. Her skin is finally ready for our foundation, guys. So first off, you want to take note of her undertone. She has a red undertone, as you can clearly see from this screen, and you want to make sure you pick the right foundation that matches your skin and its undertone. If not, your foundation will come out looking very ashy and you look really old, to be honest. Ain't nobody trying to look old. So like I showed you earlier, the foundation I'm using is the Milani foundation in Golden Toffee. This just matches her skin perfectly. So I'm starting off with one section of her face, from the lower side of her face, and I'm working my way upwards, and I'm going to repeat basically the same thing to the other side of her face, working my way upwards. Moving to your concealer, the same undertone technique works for this, and you want to make sure you're choosing a concealer that is about one shade lighter than your foundation. So you want to apply this to the areas that the light would usually hit, which are her forehead, underneath her eyes, the bridge of her nose, her cupid's bow, and her chin. And a little goes a long way here, guys, so you want to be careful with your application. So now I'm using my damp beauty blender to blend everything out. To be honest, blending is key. So if you want a really flawless foundation look, you have to make sure that there are no harsh lines between the concealer and the foundation. Like, I literally do not stop blending till my hands start to ache. Seriously. So I'm just going to keep blending over the concealer until I find no harsh lines. When blending the under eyes, you want to make sure that you're starting from the outer corner of the face and working your way inwards, okay? Just like you see in the video. It's honestly just more coordinated in that manner, and that's literally my own reason. So next, we're going to be setting her makeup in place. So we're going to be setting with a compact powder or a setting powder. It really doesn't matter, it just depends on your preference. So here I really wanted to use the compact powder. and I'm using a brush for that. I'm just setting the areas that I highlighted, and I'm using a powder shade that is about one shade lighter than her complexion. And this MAC Studio Fix powder just helps lock the makeup in perfectly. The powder is so smooth, and that is why I really love it. So for more security, I'm using my same beauty blender with no products on, and I'm just pushing the powder right into the skin to help everything stay put. To bronze up her face, I'm going to be using a powder shade that is about one shade darker than her complexion, and I'm literally just going to use this powder in the perimeter of her face. This will basically just help to bring more structure to her face, because with the foundation and the highlighting, we've kind of taken the shadows off of her face, so now we're just bringing back shadows. Right now, I'm just taking the same brush to clean up whatever harsh lines that I can find. Remember, I said I do not like harsh lines, so I have literally no product on this brush, and I'm just taking it all over her face. Nothing serious, guys. I'm still blending out every harsh lines. I literally do not like harsh lines, I tell you, because then you wouldn't have a flawless makeup look. And we're done, guys. Literally simple, so simple. That's it for this week's beauty tip. I hope you found this brief tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or videos you would like to see, sound off in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next week.